Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at the Bradley Even Cut Self-Propelled Mower. This mower does come with a 24-inch heavy-duty steel cutting deck. The cutting deck width is 24 inches. We have our front wheels. This mower does have a metal chute. There is a self-propelled drive system, as well as an 8.5 horsepower Briggs and Stratton Recoil start engine. The deck is heavy-duty steel. This mower comes with 16-inch rear high wheels. There is a cutting height adjustment of 2 to 4 inches. We have our self-propelled system. Once again, this is the Bradley 24-inch self-propelled mower. If you are interested in this mower or any other mower we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.